Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that has caught our eye for its compact design and impressive features, the OVENTE electric stand mixer, model SM680B. You can find the link in the description below to check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the OVENTE SM680B? This is a compact electric stand mixer that is perfect for those who love to bake but may not have a lot of space in their kitchen. With a powerful 250-watt motor, this mixer is designed to handle a wide range of baking tasks, from whipping up light and fluffy cupcakes to kneading dough for fresh bread. One of the standout features of this mixer is its versatility. It comes equipped with 5 different speed options, which allow you to tackle various mixing tasks with ease. Whether you're gently stirring in delicate ingredients or mixing thicker batters, you'll find just the right speed for your needs. This is particularly useful for those who enjoy experimenting with recipes, as it gives you more control over the mixing process. The OVENTE SM680B also includes a generous 3.5-quart stainless steel mixing bowl, which is ideal for small families, couples, or even novice bakers. The bowl is not only durable but also easy to clean, ensuring that you spend less time on cleanup and more time enjoying your delicious creations. Additionally, the mixer comes with 2 types of attachments: 2 whisks for aerating your batters and 2 dough hooks for kneading dough, providing everything you need to make your favorite recipes effortlessly. One of the features I really appreciate is the tilt head design. This allows for easy installation and removal of the bowl and accessories, making the whole baking process much smoother. Plus, the suction feet provide stability during use, ensuring that the mixer stays put while you're busy mixing away. Its compact size makes it perfect for smaller kitchens or apartments, allowing you to store it easily on your countertop or in cabinets when it's not in use. This stand mixer is suitable for anyone from beginner bakers to seasoned pros. If you're just starting out or if you bake occasionally, this mixer will meet all your needs without taking up too much space. It's also great for those who may not have the strength to mix heavy dough by hand, making baking accessible for everyone. In practical terms, you can use the OVENTE SM680B for a variety of recipes. Think about whipping cream for a decadent dessert, mixing up a batch of cookie dough, or kneading dough for homemade pizza. The possibilities are endless, and this mixer can handle it all with ease. In conclusion, the OVENTE electric stand mixer SM680B is a fantastic addition to any kitchen, especially if you're limited on space but still want to enjoy the art of baking. With its powerful motor, versatile speed options, and ease of use, it's a reliable choice for anyone looking to elevate their baking game. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.